Hi there, hi, good afternoon everyone. This is Liz Davis. I am a nutritionist and I specialise in digestive health for busy women. So I help busy women fix their IBS, bloating, painful digestion, heartburn, etc. Any kind of associated hormone problems, chronic fatigue and so on, which can quite often have at least part of their root cause in what's going on in your gut. So an important area to look at. So magnesium deficiency, it's really common to have a bit of a magnesium deficiency going on for several reasons, which I will go over in just a second. But if you're low in magnesium, you're probably going to really feel it because it's really involved in so many different body functions, from detoxification to muscle issues and sleepless nights, etc. So basically, it's also, if you're low in magnesium, it's going to really impact your gut health as well. And scientists know this because they've done studies on mice where they've given them adequate magnesium, and then some of them they've given magnesium deficient diets, and they compare the microbiome. And the microbiomes of mice who have a magnesium deficiency, or they've been on the poor magnesium diet, have a very compromised microbiome, and in addition they have lots of inflammation and things going on as well. So it's a super mineral to make sure that you're getting plenty on board. In addition, it's really important, you know, if you're getting lots of hormone problems and things like that, it's a nice supplement to take too. So if you are suffering with your gut, I would definitely be looking at your magnesium intake, either through food or supplementation. But in addition to gut problems, it's also implicated in restless leg syndrome, insomnia, anxiety and depression, fatigue and things like that. So as I say, it's quite far reaching, the issues it's going to cause you. It will, if you're low in magnesium, it's going to really deplete the levels of GABA in your brain. So that's your calming neurotransmitter. So that's why supplementing magnesium can really help you with anxiety and depression and that kind of thing. It's probably not the only thing you need to do, but it can certainly help there. So why is it then? Why are we also low in magnesium? Well, basically the soils are much more deficient in these important minerals now than they ever have been in the past, just down to intensive farming and so on. So anything you're eating which is traditionally magnesium rich is probably not going to be as magnesium rich as it has been in the past. So there's that. There's the fact that there's more processed foods around, particularly ultra processed foods, which really you need to be avoiding like the plague because they have very addictive ingredients in them. So the more you eat, then the less kind of nutrients you've got coming on board anyway. And those foods, by the very nature of their ingredients, are highly inflammatory and devoid of any kind of nutrition, etc. So there's that, really kind of focus on the diet side of things. Try and cook from scratch as much as you can. Additionally, if you're under a lot of stress, that's going to really deplete your magnesium levels. So if you are going through a very stressful period, and I know it's very difficult to know when you're stressed that you are stressed, but if you're stressed, it's a really good idea to take some form of magnesium supplement if you can, because that will really help you. If you're suffering with your gut health, so for example, you've got dysbiosis or leaky gut or SIBO or IBD or something, that's going to really impact how well you're absorbing all your minerals, particularly magnesium. So if, as part of a kind of gut healing protocol, we would always be looking at your absorption and what we could do on that front as well, just to help you absorb things a little bit better. So if you do want to increase your magnesium intake through diet, definitely be looking at dark green leafy vegetables, and nuts and seeds, legumes such as lentils, and also whole grains as well. They should provide you with a lot of magnesium, and the best one, of course, dark chocolate, but make sure it's 75% cocoa or higher, because otherwise it's just mostly sugar, so that's not going to help your magnesium much at all. So if you want to supplement, there's some common supplements that people typically use. So there's magnesium malate, there's magnesium threonate, 309 rather, and there is magnesium glycinate is a common one. It's really nice. That's a nice all-rounder. It's really easily absorbed. So 309 is a good one because it actually crosses the blood-brain barrier. So it's helpful for if you're suffering with any kind of anxiety or other psychological issue. You need the magnesium to get into your brain, so to speak. And glycinate, as I say, really good absorbable one. And malate is a nice one for muscle health. So that's what your muscles will appreciate if you kind of you've been working out or you've got another kind of muscle issue going on. Okay, so that's a quick rundown on magnesium. If you do want to speak to me, then use the link below to book a free call in my diary. Alternatively, just pop me a message and I'm quite happy to send you out some info over Facebook. Okay, I hope that helps and I shall see you next time. Do like and share if you found this useful. Okay, bye.